In my first video, if you recall, I took you through a few tips and tricks as to how you can celebrate Valentine's Day in spite of restrictions, in spite of lockdown, in spite of social distancing. And in my second video, I'd teach you how to create a Valentine's Day vibe with what you have and a few leftovers and remnants. But as I always say, first things first. Who am I? I am Samita. I am an eco-entrepreneur, a fashion designer and academic. I live and work out of Melbourne, Australia. But you know what? With my e-commerce store, AoDA Eco Gifts Online, I have followers and clients all over the world. So join me. Let's have some Valentine's Day fun together. For a table setting, always begin with a theme and derive your color palette from there. Now, since it's Valentine's Day, I have decided to work with red, white and gold. I have used my crockery and cutlery that I have had since years. I have created this centerpiece with some leftover ribbons, so I have used the leftover ribbons to create roses. The template, the heart-shaped template, I have created out of shreds of gift wrapping paper that we have at AoDA. We use this recycled handmade paper to package all your prezzies, the ones you buy at AoDA. And then I have used some gold accents, some gold trims as napkin rings, and also to dress up this slightly boring plain white candle, so it kind of ties up with the entire theme. The purpose is to create a story. I have created this bunting out of some hessian that I collected over 2020. I'll tell you how. And also some trims and some fabric shreds that I had remaining after I made this dress and the scarf. So after we'd finished with these dresses and the scarves, we had some shreds and remnants of fabric which we used to make this bunting. And you'd say, but Samita, you bought the hessian. No, I didn't. I collected the hessian from the floral bouquets that I received all over 2020. Thankfully, the florists have now replaced plastic wrapping paper with hessian, and that's what I collected all through 2020, and that's the hessian that I have used on this bunting. So no spending my dollars for making this bunting. Let's begin with the bunting. So take a piece of hessian, fold it and then accordion pleat it. Make the template of your bunting with this pencil and cut out the basic shape. So once you've got your basic shape here, so you've actually got two layers. Now we'll decorate it with a little bit of trim, but before that, if you are noticing that the fabric is fraying, hessian doesn't fray so much, use pinking shears, the zigzag scissors, to get rid of all of these little fibers. Now a pro tip for you, when buying shears or scissors, always invest in good quality. If you are buying the cheap ones, they become blunt in no time. So next with the roses. For the roses, take a decent sized ribbon, fold it in the middle and then fold and refold. Till you reach pretty much the end. And once you reach the end, just hold it like this. With a sharp pull, gather all your pleats into a rose. So your rose is ready, but you just need to secure it with a couple of dress pins. So there you go, your rose is ready, and the pins pretty much look like the pistils. So your rose is ready, and then we cut off the edge. You have a nice long ribbon, or you can snip off the ribbon if you want just the rose. Another pro tip, never use your fabric scissors for cutting paper and vice versa. If you cannot cut fabric with a paper scissor, it doesn't have the strength and quality, and if you have a good quality fabric scissors, a pair of fabric scissors like this, it should be only for fabric, nothing else. So there you go, your rose is ready now. You can use it on tables, settings, on accents, as accents on gifts, and also you can use it in a bouquet, you know, make a bouquet of ribbon roses that lasts forever. Now with the centerpiece, select a deep platter, put it on paper and draw the outer rim. So now that we have drawn the outer rim, we also have to draw the heart. Make use of French curve. Draw your heart and your Valentine's heart. You need to have the inner rim and the outer rim. So once that's in place, as mentioned, these are my paper scissors, and try cutting out the template. You could also draw on the wrong side of the paper. I always take shortcuts. I don't always practice what I preach, but it's a good idea to draw on the wrong side, just in case you go wrong, then you can still rectify. So there you go. So that brings us to the end of our Valentine's Day videos. Hope you've got something out of it. Surprise, surprise! We've got a Valentine's Day treat for you. We'll give you a $100 gift voucher. Now you'll ask me, Samita, what is it that we have to do to win this $100 gift voucher? Nothing much. Subscribe to this channel and you go into a draw to win the $100 gift voucher. We need your help. We need quality subscribers to be able to produce quality content like this. And people have come and told me, we'll get you 20,000 subscribers in 2 weeks. I want none of that. I don't want bots. I don't want fake subscribers. I want you. You know, people like you, genuine subscribers who'll engage with us and interact with us. Spread the AoDA buzz. So we'll look forward to you subscribing on this channel, you sharing, you liking, you commenting. Till next time, we'll come with another spectacular video. Bye till then.